Alcohol addiction. Almost each and every day in the news, the media is announcing another celebrity or well-known individual who is heading for a rehab facility. Some end up there for abuse of drugs, others will seek a stay to treat their alcohol addiction. While both drugs and alcohol usually go hand in hand these days, that isn't always the case. Perhaps it is with celebrities, but those individuals who don't live their lives in the spotlight seem to battle with an alcohol addiction without the added evil drugs. A lot of people who don't understand alcoholism will simply tell someone that they just need to quit drinking. All of their woes will end if they just don't give in to temptation. Sure, that sounds like a logical solution and a sensible one as well. However, having an alcohol addiction simply does not allow for someone to just stop drinking. They may attempt to stop, but soon find that the cravings are just too much to bear. And that's how you know if you or someone you care about truly does have an alcohol addiction. Having a bad day at work and stopping at the bar on the way home for a few quick beers does not make you an alcoholic. Stopping every single day on your way home for a few quick beers, and a few quick more, may indicate signs that you're not as in control as you'd like to be. You know that you, or someone you love, has an alcohol addiction when they simply crave more and more of it. They want to keep drinking in order to maintain that happy euphoric feeling of being high. To some, that is only achieved when they have a drink attached to their hand. It isn't easy to watch someone you care about battle an alcohol addiction. It can tear families apart, ruin marriages and relationships, and destroy households. There is only so much that you can do for an alcoholic. The rest, they must have the strength to move towards getting treatment. Going through treatment for an alcohol addiction takes a lot of strength and support. Those loved ones who may have gotten hurt and pushed away suddenly may find that they are needed for the aid of a successful recovery. Deciding to just stop drinking isn't always the best way to battle an alcohol addiction. Getting treatment and letting doctors and counselors assist in the process can make things go much smoother for not only the individual, but their families as well. Reaching out for help and recognizing that an alcohol addiction is the first step in the journey. It won't always be a flat road, there may be some mountains to climb, but crossing that finish line will be the greatest of rewards.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.